Yichang Hubei is the center of China and where the Three Gorges project is. This is a comfortable place and prosperous city. Moreover, the Yichang Wuhuan Company's legend, taking a leading place in this field, occurs in this flourishing place, in this great time with passionate glory and dream. The Yichang Wuhuan Company has created famous brand, Wooke, which enjoys a good reputation in China drilling tools industry. It continuously makes progress and keeps forward for a bright future with the past glories. It confidently strides forward in a spirited manner. During the reform and opening period, it bravely strives in market economy for a brilliant future. The Yichang Wuhuan is mainly engaged in research, manufacture, and marketing. With strong professional capacity and consistent exploitation, it pursues the leading place in the whole country. The company invested 100 million yuan to build a production base of high-pressure pneumatic down-the-hole drilling tools. Its workshop's building area amounts to 15,000 square meters, including assorted forging, heat treatment, metal processing, digital control machining, and rear arrangement, etc. It has complete facilities and advanced equipment. Furthermore, it is the first enterprise that successfully applicates numerical control technology into drill bits in China. At this time, science and technology takes the leading place. Firmly insisting international standard, it strives for innovation. With 10-year preparation and accumulation, it has manufactured middle-low air pressure and high-pressure down-the-hole drilling tools, eccentric overburden tube drilling tools, drill bits, all kinds of adapters and accessories that can be perfectly used together with worldwide famous down-the-hole drilling machines, and has got super achievements in projects of large cubic metro of earth and stone blasting, mining and tunneling, etc. Flourishing and prosperity of this industry strongly prompt the Yichang Wuhuan's development. Its first-class production equipments strongly guarantee the great production capacity, whose annual value amounts to 300 million yuan. Quality and honesty are what the Yichang Wuhuan Company consistently pursues. Yichang Wuhuan Company has accumulated much experience, enhanced manufacture technology, and independently made innovation. It has got several state patents that greatly testified this enterprise's core competitiveness. In recent years, the company has cooperated with domestic famous colleges and universities and institutions, focused on research and development, grasped industry tendency, and formed academic, developing, and producing streamlined service system. One can be master only in his own special field. The company independently has researched a series of impactor products, just as GM series with self-owned property rights, filling the gap in the market and taking leading place in domestic high-standard drilling tools market. The company strengthens its inner management and energetically exploits market. With great ambition and expectation, the Yichang Wuhuan Company has established its global strategy. The Wuhuan drilling machines have gained certain market share in domestic and abroad with powerful and professional core team, complete marketing network, and after-service system. Domestic market-oriented, gaining world market, the Yichang Wuhuan Company has self-owned import and export rights, whose products have been exported to Australia, South Korea, and Sweden, etc., successfully gaining world market with super excellent quality. 10-year diligence has made a famous brand, just as the sun shining in the land. The Yicheng Wuhuan Rock Drilling Tools Company Limited is keeping forward with mission of industry progress and prosperity.